In this video, I will show how to see how many words a Word document is. So, as we can see, we have this large number of words in this document. So, if you are using any version of Microsoft Word, in this bottom bar, you will see some information. So, here is number of words. We can see here 6214 page information and word information. If you select, so you will see here 22 is selected of 6214. And another method, click on File and click on Info. So here you will see all information. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.